Number 1. VIRUTEX Slotting Machine. Since their appearance in the market in 1962, the woodworking machines and tools from VIRUTEX have achieved a well-earned reputation for quality, robustness, and reliability. Equipped with double 0.3mm bit, 2 interchangeable bases, lateral fence, dust collector pipe, and carrying case, the VIRUTEX is specially designed for slotting wooden doors and windows. For installation of silicone insulating joints, it comes with a carrying case, combined double side bit, 90-degree guide, straight guide, reversible fence, depth gauge, surface haze, and dust collector connection 2.25 meters. Due to its use of the latest technology and application of strict quality controls during the designing and manufacturing process, they present advanced, solid, and safe range of machinery for wood. Number 2. CMT Orange Tools. Over the years, CMT has made significant investments in the most advanced CNC equipment technology and delivers top quality, state-of-the-art cutting products in the tool-making sector. The SABRE saw blades have been specifically designed to ensure maximum lifetime and performance in all materials. It has a premium bimetal with 8% cobalt, providing super results and guarantees long life when cutting metal, plastic, and wood with nails. You can easily cut construction wood, plywood, framing lumber, and plastic with its ground and taper ground teeth. The non-stick orange shield coating keeps the blade running cool, reduces pitch buildup, and protects against corrosion. It is ideal for all types of wood, including wet lumber. The CMT mission is simple: offer the finest quality tools at affordable prices. Number 3. MAKITA E01644 Impact XPS 60-piece Impact Bit Set. MAKITA XPS is a new innovation in fastening, with insert bits and fastening accessories built for the demands of the professional contractor. Bits feature precision machine tips, pulse torsion rings, an optimized torsion zone, and unique steel, combined to deliver improved overall performance and bit life. It lasts up to 90 times longer than standard impact bits. Bits are expertly engineered to withstand the hardest hitting impact drills and screwdrivers. It also includes insert bit holders, magnetic nut setters, sockets, and socket adapters for a full range of fastening applications. The torsion section of the bit flexes under load to take the pressure off of the bit tip for increased durability. Impact XPS powered bits are ideal for the most demanding jobs, including deck building, framing, installing plywood subfloor, and more. Number 4. Ryobi 18V 1 Plus Cordless Brushless Jigsaw. The Ryobi 18V 1 Plus system features over 175 unique products, giving you the ultimate in versatility and selection to get the job done. Brushless motor provides more runtime, faster cutting, more power, and longer motor life. 40% faster cutting speed with up to 3,500 SPM when paired with lithium plus HP batteries. It features a variable speed dial for slow starts to fast cutting, tool-free blade, clamp for quick and easy blade changes, and a keyless bevel base that adjusts from 0 to 45 degrees right or left for smooth and easy bevel changes. Powerful sightline blower clears debris for more accurate cutting LED work light to increase visibility while cutting onboard blade storage for user convenience. This tool is perfect for woodworkers, construction workers, DIY, or anyone looking for a best-in-class jigsaw. Number 5. Lee TD330 Through Dovetail Jig. With the TD330, you can make joints and boards up to 12 to 7/8 inch wide. A dovetail joint is made up of 2 boards with interlocking routed tails, just like a dove's tail, and routed pins fitted together to make up a corner joint. The TD330 is designed for use by woodworkers of all levels. It is shipped with 2 1.5 shank router bits. It works either with your handheld router or with your router table, handling workpieces up to 12 to 7/8 inches wide and between 1/8 and 13/16 thick. They come with fixed base routers, which are ideal as they have a lower center of gravity with handles mounted to the router base rather than the motor. Its E10 adjustable elliptical guide bushing system allows you to dial in the perfect accuracy needed for whatever job you have. Number 6. Joiner's Combination Squares. Since their introduction in the late 1800s, combination squares have always combined 90 degrees and 45 degrees. Woodpeckers also loaded these squares with features that improve and simplify all types of joinery layout. The wide foot and thin blade of the combination squares make it an ideal square for setting your table saw for perfect square edges. The cut from a marking knife will give your chisel a positive reference when you're ready to cut out the waste. Woodpecker's laser cut scribing guides into the blade every 1/16 of an inch. This feature makes mortise and tenon layout a breeze. Its 3 heads of 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch comes with a well-mountable rack at each that's great for trimming windows and making picture frames. But when you're working on classic joinery, you need something completely different. Number 7. CHAMFER by Bordeaux X. Australian innovation at its best. Need to chamfer the end of some threaded rod of a rusty bolt? Bordeaux's new Easy Chamfer tool is the solution. This innovative new tool is made from M2 HSS, ensuring it will work on the toughest materials. Easy Chamfer works by shearing a small amount of material every revolution. It can even chamfer stainless steel and grade 12.9 super hard bolts. With 5 cutting slots on the pentagon-shaped cone, Easy Chamfer has extraordinary cutting efficiency and tool life. Chamfer efficiently removes burrs and ridges from bolts, pipe, threaded rod, bar, and dowels. Easy Chamfer prevents sparks and burns. When used correctly at low RPMs, the tool will not overheat the workpiece. In most applications, it is only necessary to chamfer the first 1 to 3 threads of a bolt or threaded rod. Number 8. TRITON T6 Pocket Hole Jig Master. The TRITON T6 Pocket Hole Jig is a bench-mounted jig for drilling pocket holes in wood or for repeated use in joinery work, such as panel fixing and corners. Bench-mounted will provide stability and speed during repeated workshop use. Its modular aluminum work supports and stabilizes large workpieces and speeds up drilling multiple pocket holes. Hardened steel drill guides for longer life and accurate drilling. This jig can be used with 12 to 42 mm thick wood. It features a unique speed drive drill holder, which provides 4 times faster drilling. There is extendable work support to make sure there is extra stability for safety and precision. Above that, it has a quick lock mechanism for holding the wood and integrated dust management option. The set includes the jig, step drill bit, collar, and key, square drive bit, and starter kit. Number 9. Sharper Origin Handheld CNC Router. Sharper Origin is the world's first handheld CNC machine. Designed with woodworking professionals in mind, Origin brings CNC-level precision to a hand tool for an ideal blend of human and machine. Origin locates itself in a workplace and makes continuous real-time adjustments while the user is cutting, from a custom flooring installer's expensive musical staff inlay to a luthier's delicate fretboard. Origin is able to cut accurately at an unmatched range of scales. To determine its position, the router reads the patterned sharper tape, which adheres to the cutting area. Its automated Z-axis touch-off sensor sets Z0 in just a matter of seconds. Origin features a touchscreen with capacitive multi-touch full-color LCD, Wi-Fi for transfer of design files via Sharper Hub, and for receiving software updates, on-tool design capabilities, the soft start motor with overheating and overlaid safety shutoffs, a 6.5-inch adapter hose with 2 to 1/4 odd nozzle for use with US standard wet-dry vacuum, and many more. The project only seems to be limited by your imagination. Number 10. MAKITA AN924 21-degree full round head 3 1/2 framing nailer. The 21-degree full round head 3 1/2 framing nailer combines durable construction and robust performance with ease of use feature for wood framing applications. It is engineered for a range of applications including framing walls, floors, and roofs, as well as the construction of the roof and floor decking, floor and wall sheathing, siding, and subflooring. The AN924 has a lightweight design, only 8.3 pounds, with durability features that include a heat-treated S7 steel driver blade, a solid aluminum top-loading magazine, and a nail lockout mechanism that protects the tool and work surface from dry fires. Other features include toolless depth adjustment for flush or countersink nailing, added tool hook, and an ergonomic rubberized grip. The AN924 is a 2-mode selector switch for increased convenience and drives 21-degree plastic-collated framing nails from 2-inch to 3.5-inch in length and 113 to 148 in diameter. It is ideal for framers, roofers, and carpenters. Leave a comment on your views and thoughts about it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.